All right, so just a reminder of how we multiply polynomials, and we practiced this yesterday. We use that FOIL method. Remember, FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. And we do that by double distributing, so that x times the x gives us an x squared. The x times the 10 gives us a plus 10x in this case. Minus 3 times x would be minus 3x. And then minus 3 times positive 10 would be minus 30. And at that point, once we're done multiplying, we're going to check to see if there are any like terms, and there are here. We would factor that final product would be x squared plus 7x minus 30. And we've done so many of these that now we're able to, so what that allows us to do is to take a trinomial like x squared plus 4x minus 60, and we've done so many of these that we've gotten pretty good at taking that trinomial and factoring it down into its prime factors. So I know I need two numbers that multiply to x squared. Well, that would be my x and my x. And before break, we did that little x game, right? We multiplied, I need two numbers that multiply to negative 60 that add up to positive 4. And we got pretty good about going over in the margin and just finding factor pairs of 60. And I'm going to go in order till I hit the right factor pair. It's not 1 in 60. 2 goes into 60 30 times. That will not add to 4. 3 goes in 20 times. That won't do it. 4 goes in 15 times. Still not there. 5 goes in 12 times. That won't do it. 6 goes in 10 times. And 6 and 10, if I add those together or subtract them, that will get me to that positive 4. So to get to positive 4, I'll need a positive 10 and a negative 6. And we remember how this works. We're going to say x plus 10 and x minus 6. And that allows me to write that factored form. If I FOILed that out, if I double checked here, that would be x squared minus 6x plus 10x and then minus 60. And again, that double check with those two middle terms combined to be plus 4x, so I know I got the right answer. My final answer would be x plus 10 times x minus 6. Remembering we're not leaving that x as our answer. We are writing the two factors next to each other on the page.